Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. Do you have fixed deposits with any bank? If yes, then have you checked your TDS certificate? Or you don't know about the TDS certificate? Then today I will explain what's the TDS certificate. And there is a good news for you. I will explain. Let us look into it. Friends, if you are having a fixed deposit with the bank and the interest accrued on the fixed deposits is taxable. Yes, it is taxable. But there is some kind of limitations. The interest accrued is of rupees up to 10,000, then there is no deduction of TDS. Otherwise, TDS will be deducted by the bank. And the same is reflected in your tax statement. But here is the good news for you. In the interim budget presented by Government of India, they given a relief to the depositors. From the financial year 2019-20, if the interest accrued on fixed deposits is of below 40,000, then there is no deduction of TDS by the banks. If the interest accrued is more than 40,000, then TDS will be deducted at a rate of 10% if you are having a PAN card, otherwise 20% if you are not having a PAN card. C. This is applicable to resident Indians only. If you are a senior citizen, then the limit is up to 50,000. That means the interest accrued up to 50,000 there is no deduction of TDS. Otherwise, there is a deduction of TDS as 10% if you are having a PAN card and 20% if you are not having a PAN card. Suppose if you are having a NRO deposits, non-resident ordinary deposits with the bank, then bank will deduct 30% as TDS, and the same will be reflected in your 26AS statement. This 26AS statement is available in your personalized Income Tax of India e-filing portal. You can obtain this information from the 26AS. See, if your income is below 2.5 lakhs from all the sources, then in order to avoid the deduction of tax, you must submit 15G or 15H at the starting of the financial year. 15G is for general public and 15H is for senior citizens. Here, this individual tax slab, the relief is also applicable to HUFs also. Hope you understand the relief. Happy enjoy the weekend.